अब मैंने माइक दोबारा पेयर करके 1 मिनट का एक वीडियो बनाया, माइक एडजस्ट किया हेलमेट में। अब देखते हैं, लेट्स गो। होप this the ANC is on level 3, okay, because I am expecting a bit of buffeting to come, but not as much. Or now I placed the mic in such a position that मेरा cheekbone पे वो ज़्यादा pressure नहीं आ रहा है, बहुत हल्का सा पता लग रहा है कि कुछ है, but that is something like I'm not used to it. Maybe the only problem I see with this is that it is as close to the POV as it can be, but it is not showing me the front screen, the speedometer and tachometer. So with that, what happens is if you keep on getting glimpses as a rider, I think it's much better. मैं गियर भी पहना है सारा, कल तो मैं ऐसे ही मस्ती में ले गया था, लेकिन कल बारिश होगी, तो आज मैं प्रॉपर फुल बूट पहन के, राइडिंग जीन्स पहन के, और एक वो मेरे पास मैश जैकेट है रेवेट का, वेरी नाइस जैकेट, लाइट जैकेट, वो पहन के निकला हूँ। Tell you something that why this Explorer R is one of my favorite helmets is that it has got a cutout for your cardo packed up speakers. तो स्पीकर्स जो हैं वो कटआउट उसी के अंदर लग जाते हैं आपके ईयर पैड्स में, चीक पैड्स के अंदर, behind your ears, right above your ears, and you don't have to face them. So just take up the wire और अंदर से घुमा के round it up and just put the speaker in that lovely cutout. Or the other thing is that what I've done is that I've put in the mic directly in front of the cheek pad. So this cutout for the round speakers is at the back, and at the front where your mouth is, the cheek pad, there's an ample space and there's a foam coverage. So I'm hoping that it's going to act as a wind muff. Why I wear this helmet the most, the AGV one was a fantastic helmet, okay, the one I measured up, but this one, after that I started wearing this one. This helmet is very versatile, so I can just remove the peak and use it as a street helmet, or I can put on the peak and remove the visor and put on some goggles in it. Works as an off-roader, scrambler helmet, multiple things. Or it's got an internal sun visor. I usually keep the visor up and put down the sun visor, so I get a fair amount of wind on my face because it's very hot. I realized after my city trip that I was capturing very good videos. The video quality was excellent, 2.7K and 60 frames per second, but the audio quality was subpar, below par ही नहीं था कोई भी. Thoughts, then you see the view, you are enjoying the view. Sometimes आप कश्मकश में होते हो, sometimes you are very happy, and usually what biking is, usually it's alone time, me time. You're leaving the hustle and bustle behind, certainly your thoughts behind most of the time when you. देखते हैं, अभी आजकल शौक चढ़ा है, व्लॉगिंग करेंगे। वो देखो लाइट मेरी बाइक की दिन में जल रही है, ऑलवेज ऑन लाइट, बट इट्स दी ओल्ड स्कूल हेलोजन वन, नॉट वेरी ब्राइट, बट द डेनालीज बहुत बढ़िया है।